In recent years, the seamless integration of technology into our daily lives has grown exponentially, and one of the most fascinating developments in this domain is the rise of AI-infused smartwatches. These wearables have transcended their traditional role of simply telling time and are now at the intersection of cutting-edge technology and contemporary style. Today, we explore how smartwatches have evolved from mere gadgets into indispensable companions powered by artificial intelligence, revolutionizing how we connect, monitor, and enhance our lives. The journey of smartwatches can be traced back to their early stages as digital watches equipped with basic calculators and calendars. However, the landscape dramatically shifted with the advent of smartwatches featuring advanced operating systems. These early iterations attempted to bridge the gap between functionality and fashion. Yet, the true transformation began when AI technologies started to infuse these devices, propelling them into the realm of the extraordinary. AI-powered smartwatches now come equipped with a plethora of features that extend far beyond basic connectivity. Through machine learning algorithms, these watches learn from user behavior, customizing experiences to meet individual needs. Whether it's predicting the most efficient route to work or offering health tips based on activity patterns, the AI within these devices enables a highly personalized experience, making each smartwatch a unique reflector of its wearer's lifestyle. Moreover, AI-infused smartwatches have made significant strides in health and fitness monitoring. Equipped with sensors capable of tracking heart rates, sleep patterns, and even stress levels, these watches arm users with invaluable insights into their well-being. They serve as 24/7 health companions, analyzing the data they gather to provide actionable advice. Imagine a watch that alerts you to stand after prolonged inactivity or suggests breathing exercises to reduce stress. Such is the power of AI in delivering proactive health assistance, all while resting comfortably on your wrist. As if these health applications weren't impressive enough, the integration of AI has further expanded communication capabilities. Virtual assistants embedded within smartwatches respond to voice commands, allowing for hands-free messaging, seamless calendar management, and even controlling smart home devices. This convenience keeps users connected yet untethered, reflecting a perfect balance between technology and human interaction. Now, let's not overlook the aspect of style. Manufacturers have ensured that these technological marvels do not compromise on aesthetics. With a vast array of customizable watch faces, interchangeable straps, and sleek designs, AI-infused smartwatches cater to both the tech-savvy and the fashion-conscious. The fusion of tech and style ensures that these devices enhance the wearer's individuality, turning them into a statement piece that complements personal taste. In conclusion, the rise of AI-infused smartwatches exemplifies how technology and style can coalesce into tools that enrich our daily lives. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, these watches have become more than mere timekeepers. They are now dynamic gateways to personalized health insights, efficient communication, and expressions of personal style. As we look ahead, one can only imagine what the next evolution will bring in this captivating dance where technology meets style on our wrists, poised to enhance our life experiences in increasingly meaningful ways.